Well, earlier today, CoastLife, we had an opportunity to be out there at that ribbon cutting that you just saw for Delaware Mobile Home Repair, which really, truly is the one-of-a-kind business here along coastal Delmarva. We are hanging out with Rob Hardy, the owner or co-owner of Delaware Mobile Home Repair. So, Rob, why don't you tell us a little bit the history of this business, because there is a little bit of that to it.
Yeah, there's a little bit of history. Kind of got into mobile homes about 20 years ago. I got into selling used mobile homes, and that's what got me into mobile homes, and purchased my first mobile home and got into remodeling that. And from there, we bought another one and then another one and flipped a couple of them. And that's what got us into mobile homes.
Interesting.
Matter of fact, I still live in a mobile home.
So in that flipping process of a mobile home, were there things that you noticed or maybe common issues that needed a certain type of repair that was specialized to a mobile home as opposed to a non-mobile home?
Absolutely. Mobile homes are nothing like a stick-built home. The plumbing, the electrical, just the way it's put together is totally different than a stick-built home.
Yeah, I imagine that it would be. So when it comes to those types of repairs, I mean, it's important that you guys really are the only business of its kind that does these sort of repairs. So what are some things that people should keep an eye out for when they need to give you a call?
Well, one of the biggest things that we're finding down here is a lot of people are putting additions on mobile homes.
Yeah.
And they're not doing it correctly, which is causing more damage to the mobile home than is actually helping their property. That's one of the biggest things we're running into down here.
Yeah, I mean, that makes a lot of sense. So when people are making an addition, what sorts of additions are they trying to build onto that maybe are causing that damage or making some mistakes along the way?
It could be from putting a deck on to just putting a porch on. They're not securing the outside walls of the mobile homes, which they're causing the outside walls of the mobile homes to actually drop and bellying the mobile home floors.
That sounds like a not only a physical nightmare to have to deal with, but also financially, then you have to spend more money to kind of fix those mistakes. And then you're like, oh, what do we do?
The problem is sometimes you can't fix them mistakes. So instead of doing it right the first time, okay, you end up with a problem that you're not going to be able to fix.
That you actually can't fix, which I imagine that's the worst news that somebody living in a mobile home can hear, that you've got a problem that can't be fixed.
Yeah, and that's one of the worst things we have to tell people is that we can't actually fix the problem, but we can stop it from getting worse.
Yeah, but you did mention that a lot of people are kind of doing additions or maybe even remodeling a little bit within their mobile homes. So we're going to step inside to see maybe some of the things that you're doing to those homes.
Okay, sounds good.
Well, now we're inside what I guess could be sort of called a showroom, right, Rob?
Yeah, we like to call it a showroom. Also, we have some parts that are available because we use a lot of parts in mobile homes. So we have them available for our customers to come in and purchase. It's also a place that we can sit down and we can discuss what you're looking to do in your mobile home.
That makes sense. I mean, I know you've got some videos kind of playing in here so that people can check those out, kind of see what you're doing and maybe start envisioning the remodel within their mobile home, which could include things like metal roofing.
Absolutely. What we do is we have some screens set up in here, which one screen will show our metal roofing. We also have ones that will show our windows and doors, our kitchens, our baths, and now we're also offering the epoxy flooring. We've partnered with a company called SCS, so we're actually offering epoxy flooring now. Nice. And then like the metal roofing, we're going to start supplying metal roofing to the customer directly to do it themselves.
Fantastic. I know there are a lot of do-it-yourselfers here along coastal Delmarva that are going to be loving to hear that and then kind of build their home how they want to,
Absolutely, absolutely. And that's what we're looking to do. We're looking to help people not just hire us to do things, but help them do it themselves.
I love that. And speaking of hiring, you guys are always kind of growing, expanding, looking for new team members.
That's another thing. Yes, we're actually always looking for talented people, and not just talented people, people that are looking to get into learning a trade and maybe moving up in our company, because we are new, but we are growing quickly down here because there are a lot of mobile homes down here. Yeah. And there's a lot of contractors down here that don't want to mess with mobile homes.
Well, like you said, you guys really are the one-of-a-kind business down here, and it's not the same working on a stick-built home, like you said, as it is working on a mobile home repair. So you want to make sure you go with the experts, people that know exactly what they're doing, and they're not going to damage your home. They are going to, make it exactly what you want. So is there ever is Is it always a good time to work on your mobile home, or is there more? Do you see things seasonally that people need to start making those repairs?
To be honest with you, it never stops down here.
I bet.
Between your retirees and your people that are just coming down for the summer, it's never a bad time to get something done.
Makes sense to me. All right, Rob. So for folks who are looking around now and they're saying, oh, maybe I could use a little tweak here, a little tweak there, how should they get in touch with you? Should they come see you at the showroom? Should they?
I tell you that the best way to get a hold of us is go directly onto our website, which is DelawareMobileHomeRepair.com, and you can fill out a request form to have somebody come out to your home, meet with you, sit down with you, discuss your issues and the problems that you might have, and then we can give you an estimate then.
Fantastic. Well, Rob Hardy with Delaware Mobile Home Repair, thank you so much for your time and having us out here and telling us what you guys do, because it really is truly a unique business.
Thank you. I appreciate you stopping out, and I'm looking forward to some new customers come out to see our new showroom.
Yes, and congratulations on the ribbon cutting.
Thank you.
Of course. Well, we have some more CoastLife to get to, though, as well. We're exploring more of coastal Delmarva when we get back.